Hey guys, welcome back to 天天 Chinese. 欢迎大家回到天天中文。Okay, so last time we learned times in Chinese. 上节课我们学会了如何用中文来表达不同的时间。Okay, so what time is it right now? 现在几点钟呢？ Can you answer me in Chinese? 你知道怎么样用中文回答我了吗？ If you can't, go check my previous lessons, okay? 如果你还不知道怎么样用中文表达时间，记得看我之前的视频。So in today's lesson, we are going to learn something new. 这节课我们要学新的内容。The topic is about appointment, 约会 okay? 今天这堂课我们要学怎么样去约会，怎么样去询问别人是否有时间和你见面。So in today's lesson, we are going to learn something about appointment and also how to make appointment with somebody else. Okay, so if you are ready, let's get started. 好，接下来我们开始第6课的学习。Let's start our lesson 6. Making appointments. In Chinese, we say 约会。好，这一节课我们来学习怎么样去和别人约时间见面。OK， 好，第一个make appointment in Chinese is 约会。OK， 约会。OK， so first one, the sentence, May I make an appointment? May I is very polite, 非常的有礼貌我们可以定个见面时间吗时间吗 OK 我们also you can say 我们可以约定一个时间见面吗 OK so these two sentences are the same 这两个句子都是一样的意思第一个定个见面时间定时间make a time make appointment time 定时间 OK 约定is also make an appointment 约定 sometime to meet each other 见面 OK to meet each other meet OK 好我们可以定个时间见面吗或者我们可以定个见面的时间吗 both correct 好第二句Can we meet tomorrow? Can we meet tomorrow? 我们可以明天见吗or also you can say 明天见可以吗明天见可以吗 Okay, so tomorrow is 明天 Okay, let's review a little bit about the vocabulary. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow. How do we say in Chinese? Okay, yesterday is 昨天 Today is 今天 and tomorrow is 明天 Okay, so make sure you know those vocabularies 确保你知道这些表示时间的词汇 Okay, back to the sentence 回到句子我们可以明天见面吗 Okay, 明天见 See you tomorrow 可以吗 Okay, so both two are correct 这两种都可以 Okay, 好 Next one At 10 o'clock 10点10点 Okay, which means 10点钟10点钟可以吗 Okay, is it okay at 10 o'clock 10点见面可以吗 Okay, we meet up at 10 o'clock Okay, next one What time is best for you Okay, best for somebody 就是对谁来说比较合适就你最合适的时间 What time 什么时间 Okay, 你什么时间合适合适 or also you can say when are you available 你什么时候有空these two are the same meaning 这两个都是相同的意思就是在问 when are you available 什么时间 or 什么时候 both correct best for somebody best for 合适有空 available or free Okay, you have time, available or free. 你什么时候有空 Okay, so how about let's say, tomorrow 10 o'clock I'm available. How do you say in Chinese? Okay, 明天上午10点我有空 Okay, so tomorrow 10 o'clock I'm available. Or you can say 明天上午10点 10点我合适it's best for me. Okay, the timing is best. Okay, so this is how you answer. 好 another way, if you can't make it, 如果你做不到，这个时间不合适 then you can say, Oh, I'm sorry, I'm busy that day. Okay, I'm sorry, 对不起，我那天忙 means busy. 忙 means busy. 我那天没空 Or you can also say, 对不起 or 不好意思我那天没空 I'm not available. Okay, I'm not available. 我那天没空那天时间不合适。好，接下来 Then we make another appointment. 如果那天不合适，我们就再定一个时间。How about How about Tuesday? How about in Chinese we say 怎么样 Okay, Tuesday is 星期二星期二怎么样How about Pay attention to this one 怎么样 is How about Next one In the morning or in the afternoon In the morning is 在早晨or 在早上both correct In the afternoon 在下午 Okay 在下午 Morning, afternoon Okay, so let's review the vocabulary for time period. So morning 早晨 or 早上 and noon 中午 afternoon 下午 evening 晚上 the late night middle night 凌晨 Okay 凌晨 or 午夜 Okay both correct 好 next one That's fine for me. Okay, so this timing is good. Okay, 可以 So which means okay, 没问题Or do you still remember I'm available? 我可以我有空我那天有空我有空我有 Or also you can say 我有时间 I have time. Okay, so next one. Then you make an appointment. You say I will see you then.Okay, 到时候见见 means see or meet. I will see you then. Okay, I will see you then. 到时候见星期二见see you Tuesday. See you on Tuesday. Okay, I look forward to meeting you tomorrow. 我期待 look forward. Look forward. 期待我很期待做什么事情。我期待明天和你见面see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. 明天和你见面 meet up with you tomorrow. Okay, so this is about the sentence part. Okay, let's see some vocabulary. 我们来看一下词汇。第一个 business card is 名片。Okay, 好 so when you meet somebody for the first time, 当你第一次见到别人的时候，你可以给他你的名片。You can give them your business card. You can say你好 Hello 你好这是我的名片 Okay, hi, this is my business card. Okay, 这是我的名片好，接下来 second one Personal organizer. Okay, so 备忘录 Okay, 备忘录So do you still use that? 你现在还会用备忘录吗 Okay, so it's like a to-do list. Okay, to-do list To-do list, actually there is another name for that. Is 待办清单 Okay, to do list 待办清单 Okay, next one Notepad Note 便签便签 Okay, 便签 the sticker we can also say 便利贴 Okay, 便利贴 the sticker for writing the notes Next one Briefcase Okay, 公文包 Okay, 公文包 Okay, so here 包 is the bag包 is the bag. For example, 书包书包 is the school bag for the student. School bag. And 钱包钱包 is the wallet. Okay, wallet. 好 remember this one. 包 is the bag. 好 let's review one more time. 我们来重新回顾一下今天学过的内容 First one 第一个约会 is make appointment 约会 Okay, so sentence So here I need you to repeat after me. 跟着我来一起读。Pay attention to the pronunciation. 注意这个发音。OK， 第一句 May I make an appointment? 我们可以定个见面时间吗？ Or you can also say 我们可以约定一个时间见面吗？ OK, second one. Can we meet tomorrow? 我们可以明天见吗？ Or you can also say 明天见可以吗？ OK, 3. At 10 o'clock, 10点。What time is best for you? 你什么时间合适？ OK, or you can also say 你什么时候有空？When are you available? Okay, next one. I'm sorry, I'm busy that day. 对不起，我那天忙。Okay, also you can say 不好意思，我那天没空。Sorry, I'm not available that day. Okay, how about Tuesday? 星期二怎么样？ Okay, in the morning 在早晨。In the afternoon 在下午。That's fine for me. 可以 or no problem 没问题 I will see you then 到时候见 I look forward to meeting you tomorrow 我期待着明天和你见面 Okay, so see you tomorrow 明天见 Vocabulary 词汇第一个 business card 名片 So here is my business card 这是我的名片 Personal organizer备忘录 and to-do list 待办清单 notepad 便签 or the note sticker 便利贴 briefcase 公文包 school bag 书包 wallet 钱包 Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. Did you get it? 这就是我们今天的内容，你都学会了吗？ I want to make an appointment with you. Are you available?我想要和你约会，你有空吗？ Okay, so make sure you know the sentence meaning and you know how to ask them, okay? So remember to practice after the class. 一定要记得课后多多练习。Okay, so if you think this video is useful, please give me a like or buy me a coffee to support me. Thank you very much. 如果你觉得这个课程对你有帮助的话，记得分享给你的朋友。非常感谢。If you want to book a one-on-one personalized Chinese course with me, you can go check my Fiverr page. I will be glad to talk with you. 如果你想要和我一对一的进行汉语聊天，我会很开心在课堂上见到你。Okay, so that's all for today. I will see you guys next class. 下节课见，拜。